Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to unlock PayPal in Ghana using your Ghana card in just a few easy steps. If you've been struggling to get a verified PayPal account, this video is for you. Let's dive right in. First things first, you need to make sure you have your Ghana card handy. The Ghana card is a crucial element in this process, so keep it close by. If you don't have a Ghana card yet, you can apply for one at any National Identification Authority office. Alright, step 1 efficient, so select that and click next. Step 2. Enter your email address and create a strong password. Make sure to use. Now step 3. You'll be asked to fill in some personal information. This is where your Ghana card comes in. Enter your first name, last name, and the address exactly as it appears on your Ghana card. Accuracy is key here, folks. Step 4. Verify your email address. Go to box, open the email from PayPal, and click on the verification link. This will confirm your email address and complete the account setup process. Congratulations, you've successfully created a verified PayPal account using your Ghana card. Now you can send and receive money with ease. Whether you're freelancing, shopping online, or receiving payments from abroad, PayPal has got you covered. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more awesome tutorials. Drop any questions or comments below, and I'll be sure to get back to you. Thanks for watching.